Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in MailerLite. So once you're on the MailerLite dashboard, you want to click on campaigns and you will be redirected to this page. If you have never created a campaign before, you will see this page. And now you want to click create. Now you will need to choose what type of campaign you want to create. You can choose a regular, A/B split, which is send to email variations, RSS, send new content from your website, auto resend campaign, and multivariate, so which experiment with multiple different email variations. So I'm just going to choose irregular. Now you will need to enter your campaign details. So campaign name, let's write down YouTube example. Now the subject, let's write down this is a newsletter. And you can also add some type of personalization. So let's maybe do this. This is going to be just an example. So the pre-header, use this area to offer a short preview of your email content. So for example, check out my new video about something. And the recipients, now you're going to select the recipients. Now I don't have here any subscribers, but I'm just going to click all active and select them. After that, you will see how this will look like. Now you can track opens and also UTM tags. I'm just going to leave track opens and click next. Now this is going to be your email design. You can choose from scratch, like drag and drop, rich text editor, or custom HTML. Or you can choose from template gallery, and if any of these fit your website and you just basically need to edit the text, the images, then I would suggest maybe to use a template. So I'm just going to do that. So for example, let's choose this one, like a course sale. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of things you can add here. So first of all, let's look at this. Now you're gonna need to enter your logo here and all of these. This is code. And for example, this is your address. Now, here are some saved blocks. If you have saved some navigation ones, you can edit the top here. So for example, logo and navigation, logo navigation. So I'm just gonna add it there. And for example, let's delete this one. Just like so. Now the hero, standard, expanded, and so on and so forth. Basically, you can just change everything however you want. Some elements, and so on and so forth. There's a lot to choose from. So you choose the ones which fits you the best. Now there are some special, like a survey, a quiz, signatures, countdown. So for example, you can add the countdown somewhere. The gallery, blog, and RSS, and some social and sharing. But we have social icons right there, so I'm not going to do that. And this is also how we can choose a footer. So now we have something like so, but you can go ahead and change it. And for example, let's delete this one and let's do this one. Now, on this side, on the right side, you can see what is the font, and you can change it. The content background might be a different color if you want. And now the button, where it is. So the primary button style could be a little bit different. And the secondary, let's leave it to black. Some other settings like menu styles and so on and so forth. And also the brand color, I'm just gonna do it to black, and you can also add your logo here. And of course, let's change the text color. Let's make it everything to black. So basically, if you change the background color, you will need to change everything else, and just like so. And after you will be done with your editing, you're gonna just go on done editing. And this is your newsletter, so review and schedule. You can send a test email and again, edit content if you need. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.